What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got something special going on. We got Colin chilling in the garage with me today, the homie. So as you saw by the title and thumbnail, I got new wheels for my Lexus, so I'll just go ahead and show you right now. So I picked up some Nissan R33 wheels off of Craigslist, and it cost me 850 bucks, so these were a steal. And then I literally just got back from Vista Tire Experts, so shout out to Misael at Vista Tire Experts. He hooks you up with that stretch tires on the low. Tell him Tim sent you if you do go. But yeah, we're gonna throw these on the Lexus and see what they look like. Because before they had some big old meaty tires and we like just tested them on and they were poking out like crazy, and it was not gonna fit at all. It was a mess. But
yeah, they were 245/45s on the 9, and now it's a 205/40.
Yeah, we got the tinier tires back on here. But
oh my god, dude, why are your tires so small, dude? Do you know how unsafe it is to stretch tires, Tim? Do you know that you can lose air pressure? Do you know it's scary?
Oh my god, the comment section's gonna be like, it's not good to stretch tires on your wheels.
Alright, then have your car look like shit.
But yeah, I don't know how sunk in or poked out the fitment's gonna be with these. These are plus 30 offset, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. We might need spacers, but
yeah, pick your spacers. We can go get them.
I won't need the spacers today. I just want to see what they look like on the car. It's definitely gonna be better fitment than the stock boys, so.
Well, your stuff's it's not really rolled or pulled too much, so it might be perfect.
Yeah, I just have like a small roll on my fenders. No crazy pulls or anything. And we already got the coilovers in there, so we might end up slamming this car a little bit later. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw the fronts on for now. Already got the car jacked up, so should be pretty quick and easy.
Your steering's gonna be light, boy.
Damn, I'm already excited just looking at this. Definitely gonna be sunk in a little bit by the time I lower the car, so we'll see how many spacers we need. Colin's working on the other side right now.
Wait. Oh my god, the wood. I was like, why did this go on? Hey-ya.
Probably gonna need to get some hub-centric rings too. I'll have to figure that stuff out later, but I'm excited.
I think it's hilarious how they put the specs on the outside of the fucking, like, on the face. I guess that's how you know if they're real or fake. Look at it. It says like 17x9J30 Nissan. Like, this is forged.
Colin was saying something really funny. These wheels look sick on every car but an R33.
Yeah, I saw that in I think an Instagram post, because I follow like the tag R33 wheels on like Instagram.
Yeah.
And someone's like, yeah, they look good on every other car besides an R33. It's so true. I've seen these on 240s, IS300s, like MR2s, like everything.
Oh, Colin, we're gonna have to show him your car with I think we need to show him the repowder coated blitzes. I don't think we showed him that, and we gotta show him the side skirts. It's gonna be a play.
The Boofmobile.
The Boofmobile. The invisible Boofmobile. Alright, we gotta lower this bitch. Oh, wait, time out. We gotta make sure the handle's low. I'm gonna rip my lip off. Sketchy.
Also, don't mind the gallon of oil on the ground.
Yeah, it's not from my car at all. It's not from my cam seals, or my rear main seal, or my front main seal, or my valve covers. It's not from any of that. Don't trip.
Boy!
Oh my god, we keep going lower. Lord, this doesn't stop. What does it look like? Boy, we need to fix this fitment though.
Wait, did you put the wood on the other side?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, it looks kind of crazy. We gotta fix that fitment. But hell yeah, I'm hyped on these wheels. Boy. Let's go a good look at it.
It's honestly pretty close for like what you have right now though.
Ooh. Damn, baby. Probably gonna scrape my front lip coming off this wood now. Definitely. No, these tires are more low profile than the stock boys. But we gotta put the rears on now. I thought I hit the jack. Oh, it's just my oil pan.
It's your frame. All right.
Looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Now we got the black car squad. Thank you, sir. Look at this. We got both the Lexuses. Colin's car looking sexy with the Blitz. Hell yeah, boy. So yeah, Colin like got his Blitzes repowder coated because the powder coat didn't like adhere to the metal properly. So we redid them, and they got like a crazy flake to them. It looks super sick. It's funny, I call the R33 wheels the one-piece Blitzes.
Dude, all the 5-spoke design wheels, like the split spoke.
Yeah, the double 5-spoke looks pretty close to the
factory wheels, so it just works.
It's kind of funny. And then you got the Altezza Gita side skirts. So those are cool.
It even says Gita still on it, upside down.
Yeah, boy. It's got a Sport Cross front bumper on right now too.
Just for fun, because before I got the Gita side skirts, I got that just because I was gonna test to see if I like the style of like the wagon bumpers, and I definitely like it. So I got the Gita side skirts because they were cheap. So eventually I'm gonna get a Gita front bumper.
Damn, then you could be all matching.
Yeah, and then I'll get just a normal Altezza rear bumper because the Gita rear bumper, or like a wagon rear bumper, doesn't work with a sedan. So
Yeah.
yeah.
And I'm just gonna stick with the cheap boy stuff. I'm balling on a budget, so I got the eBay lip I got from Carlos. I got a video out of like restoring that. Well, that's gonna stay like that. I'm probably just gonna get the TRD like rep side skirts or whatever.
The poly ones, yeah.
Yep,
And then the rear lip too.
yeah, the cheap eBay lip as well. Just go eBay gang, and then
It would be nice if you got the TRD front lip to match, but he just got that from Carlos for like 50 bucks, so like whatever.
Yes, sir.
So the Greddy still looks cool with TRD anyways. It's almost the exact same thing, it's just more aggressive.
Yeah. And I'm just gonna do a blast pipe out the back, and then the car should be chilling.
Yes, sir.
But I think, like as far as like suspension, all that stuff goes, I'll definitely need the JZX arms up front and some spacers, and then align it, and it should be all good. So
Yeah,
this looks sick.
probably gonna need spacers. It sucks, but these are only 17x9 plus 30, which is like pretty high offset. So it's one of the reasons why you're gonna get the reps in the first place, because those are 17x9 plus 15. But
yeah, the square G33 wheels.
But that's okay. I mean, these are the real deal. So just put a couple slip-on spacers or whatever you need, and you'll be fine.
Yeah. Well, that's it. That's gonna be it for today's video. Kind of a short video, but I'm hyped. I got wheels on my car. Holy smokes. The car looks so much different now just with wheels. Like, wheels changed like everything. Wheels, coilovers, first mod for sure. Like, I guess that's my words of wisdom for the video. Wheels and coilovers, first mods. That's a must. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys, and hopefully you'll see you in the next one. Peace.